when people hold certain position, you know how the action is going to be. When they're using this, you know it's, what do you call this in Dutch? This
I speak.
I speak.
Yeah.
I speak's position is what? What's the motion? What's the attack motion?
Above 2.
Yes. Right. If it's like this, what's the motion? But it's always thrust because he's not going to attack you. Most likely it's going to be, really, check on YouTube, check on whatever, you're not attack is always, you know, even prison style is going to be like this. They won't use this for like this. It's common sense, really. They're not going to use this, most likely, they're not going to use this. But it's hidden and it's going to be like this. If it's like this, it's going to be like this. If it's machete, you know how it's going to be, right? If it's baseball bat, what is the motion? What's the motion baseball bat?
Baseball swing.
Home run.
Home run. Yeah. Very simple. So when it's I speak position, very simple. Whether it's like this or it's, then you can also do this. Bah, see, you can break whatever. You can also do this, right? But you see, you cannot disarm if you did not earn the disarm or grabbing the weapon first. You have to penetrate the defense. Because he's a bad guy. He's going to do whatever it takes to counter my counter. Right? He can die. That's why you did it to me, yes? Because that's what's going to happen out in the street. That's why you have to initiate, penetrate the defense. So here, before you do then you can do the counter. The counter is this. Here.